Let's make sweet and sticky mango rice. You'll need rice, sugar, coconut milk, mint, and mango. The first step is to cook your rice. While your rice is cooking, we'll make the coconut sauce. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Let simmer until the sugar dissolves. Once the rice is ready, pour the warm mixture over the rice and gently mix. Finally, slice up your mango, top your delicious rice, garnish it with mint, and there you have it, a sweet, creamy treat with all ingredients from Kam Man Market.